Hey, I'm Sarah, and I was just sent these little cookie cutters. Now these are the Shamrock design, but they have a ton of different ones. Now with St. Patty's Day coming up, I decided to get some of these. They are really nice. You see on the top, you actually have a little covering, so when you push down, it's not gonna be pushing down on your hands, but yet this side is a little bit sharper, and they are all metal. Now the Shamrocks come in 3 different sizes, ranging from 2.75 inches up to about 3.5, and it's about 1 inch thick. So whenever you're making your cookies, you can just simply stick it on there, press down lightly, and then you will be able to have any of your cookies to be able to pull out. I mean, beautiful cut, all seamless all the way around there. So there's a nice line to be able to use. Then whenever you're done with them, they are just hand washable. So you just wash these up. It does come with a nice little recipe booklet here that has all sorts of different recipes, from sugar cookie recipes all the way up to icing recipes. So that's really nice that they include that as well. So you just wash these up, dry them, and then it says you can actually just put them in the warm oven and get all that warm water out. So that way they will keep for a long time and be able to use over and over again.